Dream. We've got a full tank of fuel. We're back again with Alex and indeed another M car. Thank you for joining us. We are just about to meet up with some more really cool cars that you'll see in a second, and then our end goal is to get to a local car meet. So our first objective today is to meet up with Kev in his R35 GTR, and then we're going on to that car meet that I mentioned, and hopefully kind of give you a little bit of an insight into the car and bring you along with us. So as the successor to the M3, the M4 started production in 2014 and took on the coupe and also the convertible features from the M3, which is now the 5-door. So other than the very responsive twin turbocharged engine, which is a real standout feature for me of this car, the next biggest progression from the 4 Series is the lightweight components. We've got a carbon fibre roof, we've also got a carbon fibre reinforced plastic composite on the drive shaft and also the boot lid. To explore the dynamics of the car a little further, we're going to turn off onto these little back roads and put the car through its paces.
Double clutch gearbox.
Okay.
So 7-speed double clutch gearbox.
And then when we're on some of these kind of more twisty roads, how are you finding the responsiveness?
You can have it from sort of a comfort setting right up to Sport Plus.
Yeah.
And then you've got your 3 gearbox settings as well. When we're having a bit of fun on the B roads, then I tend to have it in the top setting.
Yeah.
Which gives you a split second gear change.
Absolutely. Oh, right.
And being the double clutch system, of course, it's already holding the next gear.
Yeah, that's it.
Ready to change into. So
yeah, quality. Trim inlaced with a really nice black leather dash. We've got the 7-speaker Carmen Harden surround sound speaker system. You've got DAB digital radio with the sat nav all integrated in there. And then one bit that Alex has said he really likes and has benefited from is the digital heads-up heads-up display. Can you sort of talk us through that?
It gives you obviously the current speed we're doing.
Yeah.
Displays that on the windscreen in front of me, but it's also got a feature which works with the sat nav that gives us the speed limit of the road we're on.
Right. Okay.
Which is, you know, a superb feature, because the number of times you can be driving and thinking of, you know, somewhere you don't know,
Sure.
and not sure on the speed limit.
Okay.
So that's a handy feature.
Brilliant.
You've also got, when you swap it in or put it into M mode, which is the preference settings for, say, having a bit of fun on the road. Yeah. You can have it so it changes the display on the windscreen and puts it into the rev counter that displays digitally across the windscreen as well.
Stuck in stop-start traffic, what's it like around town and in queues like this?
Yeah, really good, to be honest, because, you know, with the press of a button we can put it straight into like an economy comfort mode.
Right. Okay.
That drops down the gear changes, so they're a nice smooth, less aggressive gear change, spot on. You know, suspension then just softens up a bit.
Yeah.
Steering just softens up nicely as well. So, you know, as an all-round car with a big boot as well, you know, it's spot on really.
Cool. What made you go for this specific car?
Yeah, so this is the 3-litre twin turbo. Some fantastic extras really that it comes with. So this particular one has got the M Performance exhaust system on it.
Okay.
With the carbon tips.
Yeah. One of the criticisms for the M4 originally when it came out was the lack of noise inside the cabin of the engine and the exhaust. Do you think the performance exhaust is worthwhile going for?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah. To the degree I would have only bought it with the M Performance exhaust system, or had it put on straight away.
Yeah, okay.
Because it makes a massive difference to the sound inside the car.
And it really brings out the characteristics in the exhaust note as well, doesn't it?
Definitely, yeah, without a doubt, yeah.
Chuki Beats.
shots. We've got a weird kind of fog today, but actually the gold of the car is popping really nicely in contrast to the fog. Hopefully we'll be okay for light. So we've just met up with Chris to meet up with him in his C63 onto the car meet. M3 funnily enough. So please make sure you hit the subscribe button because it helps us out and it ensures that you are updated with our latest videos. Thank you very much for your time. See you later.